Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Brianna and this is Beach Babe Beauty. So we have something a little bit different today. It's still similar but different. We have an unboxing, but it is something new. Today we have the first ever Beachllyyy beauty box, which I was very excited about because you guys know I love Beachllyyy and I love all the stuff that I get in their boxes, and when they released this beauty box, that was right up my alley, so I was very excited. So we're just gonna dive right into it. So it does come with a little leaflet here that has all the information on it, so I'll be able to tell you what everything is. And we've got 5 products, and I believe the box costs about $30. So the first product in here, which is a mess. Oh my god, something did a poopy. I don't know what happened in here. But it looks messy. Dusty for some reason. That's okay. The first product is the 𝘊𝘊𝘊𝘊𝘓 Organic Cocoa Infusion. And it's 𝘊𝘊𝘊𝘊𝘊, and it is for hair, skin, and sun. I'll give you a close-up of that. This says it's for beach, hair, and body, and it's also great for shaving. I'm not 100% sure what this is, so let's read. 𝘊𝘊𝘊𝘊𝘊 Cocoa Infusion. Who doesn't love a little luxury? This multi-purpose body oil, okay, delivers just the right amount. The 𝘊𝘊𝘊𝘊𝘊 Cocoa Infusion will give you silky, summer-kissed skin, lustrous hair, and an intoxicating floral fragrance to keep you feeling like a true beach babe all summer long. That is singing to me. I think I saw that when I saw this, I thought that it'd be really great for my hair, but you can also use it for your body. It's just an oil. I do want to smell it. I don't know if it's open or not. Let's see. Hopefully it's not. No, it's not. Okay. Stand by, please. Stand by for sniffs. Okay. Okay, it's very natural, but it's pretty. It smells good. It's a little bit floral, but with a natural scent to it. It's nice. So I kind of let's put some on. I wanna do this in real time here. I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand here. Woo! Okay. And it's definitely oily. It feels nice. It's a body oil, essentially what it is, but you can use it for your skin, for your hair. And then here's what my hand looks like, nice and moisturized, which I need. God knows I need. Yeah, it smells really good. It's more floral when I put it on than it was in the bottle, which it's a little strong for me, but I think it'll fade throughout the day. But it is nice, and my skin definitely looks hydrated. So I'm excited to try that out. Maybe put some in my hair. What do we think? I can't see it, but you can. So maybe that helped. I don't know. We the frizz queen, so I'll take anything. Next up is, why is everything dusty? I don't know why everything's dusty. I could not tell you. I mean, it's fine. There's nothing wrong with it. I don't know. Maybe it's from this stuff that's in the box. I don't know. Anywho, this is the Salt and Stone SPF 30. I'll show you that. And this is just an SPF 30 lotion with an extra layer of moisture, soothing ingredients such as hyaluronic acid, 𝘊𝘊𝘊𝘊𝘊, and ashwagandha. So it's just your average. So that's great. I've heard of Salt and Stone before. Sounds like a cool company. Clean ingredients. Love that. Water resistant for 80 minutes. Reef safe. Broad spectrum, face and body, fragrance free. So this is great to just keep in your beach bag. You can also use this under makeup on your face so that it doesn't have a fragrance. So it's probably good for that. And I'll definitely be trying that out. It has just a regular pump. I'm not going to smell it because fragrance free. So that would just be silly. So we'll move on to the next thing, which is another one of my favorite companies, Sunbum. And this is their Tinted Lip Balm, which I think I actually have one of these somewhere. I'm not sure. It's probably in this color too, because I mean, it's neutral, so. But Sunbum is a great company. They use clean ingredients. They're reef safe. I always use my, all of my sunscreen products are from them. I obviously try different ones too, but when I buy my sunscreen, I buy Sun Balm. I've also used their hair products. Like, it's all like awesome. So this is the Tinted I can't talk today. The Tinted Sunscreen Lip Balm. It is SPF 15 in the color Sandbar. So I'm gonna open this up. So it comes like this, and like a little lip balm. It's really pretty color. Oh, it smells like the Sun Balm, like everything Sun Balm, which I love the smell of that sunscreen smell. I'm gonna try to swatch it on this hand a little bit for you. That's nice. I really like that. That is something that's gonna live in my pocketbook and come with me everywhere. And I also love their regular ones too, like the not tinted ones. They're great too. I have probably 5 or 6 of those popping around, but they're great. So we like her. I also didn't mention the retail prices on these. So this retails for $6, not bad. The Salt and Stone retails for $15, and the 𝘉𝘠𝘚 retails for $30. So far we've already made our money up. So you know. And then we have the Earth Harbor, which we got an Earth Harbor in our last video, an Earth Harbor product from our FabFitFun box. So maybe we'll use these together. That'd be really nice. This is the Mermaid Milk, which obviously you knew I was sold on that immediately. Mermaids. Nutrient Glow Moisturizer with spirulina and matcha. Love matcha. Natural, ethical, C-active, plant-based, no GMOs, vegan, cruelty-free, sustainable, fair trade, no gluten, no soy, small batch, and woman-owned. Awesome. So I'm going to take her out of the package. And this retails for $42 for this one. I'm going to take it out of here. It looks so cool. Like, look at the packaging on these. I said that about their other product too, so maybe I'll be a new budding fan here. As a Beachly, oh God, I can't, all these alliterations are killing me today. A Beachly beauty babe. We all love to flaunt a sun-kissed mermaid glow. And if you're a true beauty lover, you know that starts with your skincare routine. That is absolutely true. This Mermaid Milk Moisturizer is nutrient-rich with superfoods, antioxidants, and all vegan ingredients. So there she is. I want to smell it. It's interesting. I mean, whenever you're using natural ingredients, you can just kind of expect things to have kind of a weird smell. I think it's the matcha that's throwing me off, because I can kind of smell the matcha, but it also smells like kind of citrusy. It's weird, but I don't hate it. I'm not really sure how I feel about it. And it is a thicker kind of, I'm running out of space to try stuff. It is nice, like that thicker gel formula. It's a nice moisturizer. It feels really good. It's cooling. Love those. But yeah, so I'm definitely excited to try that, and I'll probably try that with the other of their, I think I got like a serum, so that would be perfect together. So we'll try this together. And last but not least is the Sea Salt Surf Eau de Parfum, which I got a candle from them, I think in the first Beachly box I got, one of the first Beachly boxes, and it was the scent. And I literally said to my husband, oh my God, I want this. Actually, I think I said it also in the video, I want this all over my body. I want it to smell like this all the time. Well, here we go. So now we have the perfume form of it, and it's by Broken Top Candle Company. Love the packaging. Let me show you that again for a second. It's like a triangular shape. Has a little... And they are also vegan, paraben-free, phthalate-free, gluten-free. The scents are wood, cream, and jasmine. This says shake well to mix the scent and the oil and roll over your wrists or on your neck. So it is a little roller. So we're gonna take her out of here. I don't want to mess up the packaging though. It's so cute. Doop. Well, I shook it up now. Assistance. Oh, no, I got it. All right, so this is what the roller looks like. It has the name on there. So it says to shake it, which obviously I just did for like 10 minutes. And I don't know how I'm going to smell it on my body right now because I've got like 18 things on me, but we can certainly smell it here. Oh yeah. I'm still going to put it on. It's happening. I'm just going to do it up here. And pro tip, when you put perfume on, do not rub your wrists together because all it does is crush the notes in the fragrance. So you don't ever want to do that. Just put it on both sides and leave it. Let it air dry. I'm like trying to smell the inside of my elbow. And I'm like, I feel like a vampire. He had to suck your blood. Yeah, it smells really good. It's a little more like faint, like not as in your face as the candle, but it does smell really good. And this is great for travel. I love the little roller ball because I can just toss it in my travel bag and it won't get confiscated by TSA. So that's really good. And I do really like the look of it, and I love the scent of it, and it's also made in the USA. And let's see if there's anything. This retails for $26, and featuring notes of jasmine, sweet cream, and driftwood. Roll it on to you. Whoa, did I just hit puberty? What the hell just happened there? Roll it onto your inner wrists as a sweet escape to summertime all year long, and we love that. So yeah, so I am pretty pleased with this first box. I can't wait to try everything like for real and not just my first impression and smelling it. And you know, I am assuming that they'll do more of these. I'm not really sure right now, but I thought that this was a really good deal for what we were getting, and it's some unique brands, some more Hawaiian brands, and summer themed brands. So I really dig that, and I think that was a really good idea on their part. I will be getting, I think at least I should be getting the summer box soon, so we'll be unboxing that on here as far as I know. But yeah, I really enjoyed this, and I'm really excited to try some of this stuff. And I mean, you can never have enough sunscreen, and it's reef safe. Oil can use for everything, some nice perfume, a good moisturizer, and a great tinted lip balm. So I think that's all I've got today. Thanks for chatting with me. If you like this video, give it a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to see when I upload my next video. I'll see you next time. Bye.